Hello, this is Aleeza Nadeem and I'm here with my mother. So today is I think the 6th day of making the exercise video. So give this video maximum amount of likes. So first we will start with our shoulder exercise. So first we have to put both of our hands on the shoulder and we have to move forwards and then backwards like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we'll move backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This exercise is very good for your shoulders. So now we move towards the second exercise. So now we are moving towards the second exercise. In this you have to make your hands join together and then you have to go downwards. It's very good for your body like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to come up and again down like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like this. And now we move towards the third exercise. So now we are moving towards the third exercise, that is the neck exercise. First we have to bring the neck left side like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you have to put both of your hands on the waist and look upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now look downwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This exercise is very good for your neck. Your neck is getting stretched. So now we are moving towards the fourth exercise. So now we are moving towards the fourth exercise. So in this exercise, you have to put your right hand straight. You have to grip it with your left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now to the other side like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now you have to put your head straight and you have to grip it from forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have to do the same thing with our left leg, like left hand, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we have to bring it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As we are done with our fifth exercise, now we are moving towards the sixth exercise, and this exercise name is stretching exercise for your foot. You have to stretch both of your legs, your right leg and then left leg. So first we'll start with our right leg. So first what you have to do, you have to open your stretching. So you need any support. So over here I'm using my sister as a support, so she will join me and open my stretching. So she is here. Please.
Hey guys, I am Aleeza's sister and today I'm here to help her out. I'm going to open her stretching and my name is Chanda and I'm her elder sister and today I'm here to help her out. And today I'm going to open her stretching and then she's going to take support from something and then I'm going to open her stretching. This is really good for our thighs and it's really activating, but it's not necessary that you guys open as Aleeza do because you guys will improve day by day. So you just have to follow Aleeza the way she does it. You guys also have to do the same. Okay.
So first we will start with our. So now we will first start with the right leg. First we will do the front stretching. Then we will start after the front stretching. We will start with the side stretching. So it's upon you that how much your leg is getting stretched. If you will practice these stretching exercises day by day, so your stretching, we will see a betterment in your stretching. So first we will start with the front and then side. So my sister will help.
So this is an initial process. You're going to improve like stretching your legs day by day. You're not going to do it in one day. It will take some time. But initially you will come to the position. You'll be like Aleeza the way she is doing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come down.
Okay, and now we're going to do the same thing with the left leg.
Yes. Okay. First front and we will do the side. If you practice day by day, so your stretching will increase. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you are getting pain while doing this, we will begin with our fifth exercise. In this, what you have to do, you have to take a support from any door or any wall. So you have to uplift your left leg and hold it high as much as you can. You have to lift your knee like this. And your foot should be like a blade and you should make a balance like this. This is a balancing exercise. That you can try this at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And in this position, you can also open your legs like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I have to move other position. You have to make it like this. You have to uplift your knee as much as you can, and you have to balance. You get one hand or both hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So as we are done with the front stretching, now we are done. We will do the side stretching. First, we will start with the right leg. And you have to hold it in the side position, like this, and straighten it as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we will do the same thing with our left leg, side position, and then open it. Okay, right. First right, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we move towards the seventh exercise. So after the fourth exercise is done and my mother is taking rest now, we are moving towards the fifth exercise. So now we are moving towards the seventh exercise. This exercise is also very good for your legs. Since your knees are getting stretched. 1, 2, 3. And now we'll do the same thing with our left leg. First we start with the right. 1, 2, 3. So now we are done with both of the legs. So what you have to do, now you have to lay down. And you have to open your leg like this and put all the weight backwards, but you have to move forward like this. And in the same position, you have to sit down. And 1. And then get up. And now we have to open our legs. Again in this position. So now we are done. So in the same position we have to make a butterfly. This exercise is called butterfly position. You have to come in a butterfly position. What you have to do, you have to bring both of your legs forward. You have to try to bring nearer to you, and you have to touch your knees to the ground and like a butterfly. Move your knees like this and go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's very good for your legs and whole body. You have to practice. Now we can go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now in the same position, we have to straighten our legs like this. To go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now in the same position, we will bring our right leg to this side. It's very good foot stretching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we'll do the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll do the same thing with our left leg and the right leg. And now we have to bring our right leg forward like this. We have to open a stretching in a sitting position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have to open the side stretching in the sitting position. It's very good for your legs. It's not necessary that your stretching should be full. It can be this also, it can be this also, and it could be full also. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. We will do the same thing with our left leg. To open like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And when you are opening the side, so you have to first bring your foot inside and then open the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to come in the position and get up. Now we'll move towards the 8th exercise. So now we are moving towards the 8th exercise. This exercise is to open your legs and open your knees. Because before the exercises that we have done is so much of stretching your foot, stretching your neck. So now you guys have to relax. And in this exercise, you're relaxing and opening your knees. So because we have done a lot of stretching exercises. So in this exercise, what you have to do, first you have to bring your right knee from outside to inside and from inside to outside. And we'll bring. First we'll bring like 1 with both of the legs. 2, 3, step back. 4, step back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we will do the same thing from inside to outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we have to, what we have to do? We have to throw our neck from from backwards to forward like this. 1, 2. We have to be relaxed. We have to not put all the pressure on our stretching. 3, 4, 5. Now we'll do the same thing. 5 plus 5, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So as we are doing a lot of exercises, so that's it, because now we have done I think 8 exercises, so it's enough for today. So I will continue with some new and with further exercises in my new video that I will upload tomorrow. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and give all my previous video. If you don't watch, so please watch my all previous video that is named as Sehat Bana fees Bacha, and give that video also and this video also maximum amount of likes. And thank you so much, Enjoy Kids, for a great opportunity for the children to come up with new exercises every day. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys will follow me, and thank you, and Allah Hafiz.